Chilly. What's happening, people, and welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's doing well, and welcome back to another cold ass day in January. All right, guys, this will be real quick. I have a super cool, well, sort of like an unboxing. I actually took it out of the box already because I was really excited. It's an unboxing and install. I got something from a really cool guy named Derrick. He runs his own company. It's called Anarchymotive. I'm sure you guys heard about it before. I found it from a good friend of mine. His name is Corey on Instagram. And let me tell you, this guy makes some really quality stuff. This is just a review on the stuff he made for me. It came out really well. And, you know, hopefully he can do the same thing for you guys. He made me a custom shift knob. You guys know my 450 wheel horsepower STI. He's called the Hulk. And he made me something based off of that. So what I got today, you'll see what's in the box. It's pretty cool. Let me see, this pretty cool t-shirt. He sent me this pretty cool t-shirt, and wrapped up in my beanie right here, you see I have that bad boy right here. Let me tell you, what a freaking awesome job he did. You guys know I'm actually sponsored by JD Muscle as well. JD Muscle, that's a pretty light shift knob. This one is about 500 grams, so it's moderately heavy, not the heaviest you can get. And this is 100% stainless steel. So look at this thing, super freaking dope. And what I will show you guys later is the he sent me a couple videos as well while he was making the shift knob, so I will just put that in there as well. But guys, this is really simple. All you got to do, unscrew your old shift knob, and I will be using the same screw right here to but set the alignment off the shift knob or the gate. All right, peeps, so as you saw from that time lapse, all I did was use the screw just to make sure the setting of the knob of the gate. This is the gate, first, second, third, fourth. Then you got Hulk smash, pretty dope. Just use that screw to make sure the gate is lined up perfectly. Look at the detail of that right there. Oh, freaking dope, man. And as I said, guys, that's why I like being different. It's the little things that bring out the best. Doesn't matter. Could be how small. But I think he did a really great job on this. I will show you another clip. You will see the flake in the paint. A lot of nice detail too. So I will take it for a drive real quick, see how it feels, you know, with the shifts, see how it feels within the hands. But this is great, guys. As I said, Anarchymotive. I'll put, you know, a link to his site in the description. But he did a great job. Thank you, Derrick. Did a really good job. And guys, I bought this with my own money, so I'm not, you know, he's not paying me to do this. He just did really great work for me. I will tell you guys, he does get a lot of work, so the lead times, it's pretty long, and that's fair to say. You know what I mean? He did a great job on the work that he did for me, but I will say that, you know what I mean, you might have to wait a little bit, so be patient. But as you can see, really good work. That's really it, guys. So on with the test drive. All right, guys, real quick test drive. I know the lighting might not be perfect. Look at these dope ass gauges I just installed. Feels good in the hands. Feels good in the hands. Also, guys, the great thing about the stainless steel knobs, it won't be as cold as the aluminum, like the JD Muscle. It's dope. Pretty freaking dope, if I say so myself. Pretty freaking dope. So guys, you know what to do. Hit up Derrick at Anarchymotive, and I will see you guys soon. Great deal, great price, not bad. You'll be spending about, I would say, $100 for something like this. And actually, to tell you the truth, it's not that bad. $100, $110. You know what I mean, with shipping or whatever the case might be. It's really not that bad for the type of work. I don't know if you could see that in the sunlight, but there's some pretty dope flake in that paint. So it's painted, clear coated. So again, guys, great work, Derrick. And guys, I will see you guys soon. Another great video.